Hello, YouTube family. Good morning. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see simple way to win Gosloto 645. Today is a Monday, and I hope we're gonna make money together. Join our WhatsApp group. To join is 100 rand, and it's once off. This is a phone number. You can WhatsApp this number when you are ready to join my group. When you are ready, since you know the price. Thank you so much. Today we're going to make money using the simple way. So, first of all, you do like this. Come here. Let's just do any random draw. You can see I'm just scrolling down to show you that the strategy really work. Now let's start. You're gonna take this number which is sitting there. Did you see it? Then you're gonna pick the last number. You can see the code is 1500. All right, I don't know. 15 is 1000. You focus on the last two numbers. The last two number we have is 08. Now you're gonna say, okay, I have a 08. 0 is 24 or 42. 8 is a number which is not changeable, right? Those will be your bankers. So if also the other option, you divide each number by 2. We have 8 when you divide it by 2 is 4 or 40 in case you want to play 2 number. 24 divided by 2 is 12 or 21. Then you're gonna pair your numbers in what? In 2 numbers or 3. So that is a simple way. Very simple. Let's go to other rows. Now let's say this one, for example, we have 1000 or 15,000, I think. Now you focus at the last number. That's the number with 1 in 5. It's already 15, right? That is 1 in 5. It's already 15. 15 you cannot divide by 2, but you can multiply by 2. It's gonna be 30 or 3. Then you play those number as a single, since I can see that they are just 3 numbers. So that's where 3 came and 15 came here after the row. Because this was the main number, 15 is a main number, so you keep it to the next row. That's where 3 came from. So let's go to our usual, which is for like current or recent one. Recent one, for example, me, I have 89. 89 is a big number, eh? So you're gonna say 89 because the code is 15,689. Then you focus on the last two number, which is 8 and 9. This is 8 and 9, your number. This will be your many numbers. Remember to spin your numbers. Now, the other thing you do, you divide when it's possible to divide. If I divide, I have 8 is 4 or 40. Now here, if I divide 9 is only 3 or 30, right? Now, so you have only to find your numbers only here. You don't go calculate the other strategy. Now, 89 again, because I told you the number which is doesn't have a small number to combine it with, you have to add, even if it's have on this code, you just add a 1 on the front of the main digit. So 89 is a many number. Now you're gonna say 18 and 19, right? And remember to spin as a 16. This is a number you will repair in 2 and the 3 numbers. So I want to see what happened to the draw. Yeah, 18, 19, and the 16 are here. And you divide the 30 is sitting there. The only number which is in come is 9 as a many, because we have 89 as a many. So I told you must keep the many number to the next number. To the next row, we have 89 is a many number that you must keep. But 18, 19 it came in the 30, which is a wow, right? Now look at the other row. We have 8 as a main. We have 40. Right? Remember, 9 is here. Right? Even 30 came back. Now, let's see where this 90 is going to lead us. 90, because this code have the last two numbers in 90. I said you focus on the last number. 90 is 19. 90 is 3 or 30, right? Now, because 90 is a number which is having 0 at the back, you will have a 42 or 24, sorry, 24 and the 42, because 0 at the, with the clock give us 24. So, now, remember we have the main number coming down, which is 8 and 9. Then you move of 8 and 9, right? Or 6, remember? Then you have a 19. We have a 3 or 30, because I told you we must divide. And also this 0 can be 12 or 21. Then you pair the 2 or 3 numbers. That's where 8 and the 24 come from. The 90 with 3 and the 30, they are the many numbers of the code, because the 90 if you divide also is 30. That's where 9 and the 30 came. Then we're going to use to combine with this code which is sitting here, which is 19. And the 9 plus 10 is 19 again. And the 1 plus 10 is 11. That's where 11 came from. Then the main number is 19. Though 19 is sitting there, so it's 1 and the 9. The main number is 1 and the 9. The 9 is sitting there as a 6 though. Main number 1 and 9 and the 19. 19 is sitting here, right? Let's go. You can see main number 1 and the 9. 9 is sitting there. And the 19. 19 is split to 16. That's fair enough. Now, you use the second code as well. The second code is 92. Right? 92 is still 29. 2 and 9. 92. Right? So that's where this 29 came from. Alright? So now 2 and 9 is 2 or 20. 906. 906, right? So 29 again is 27. You like to do that. Now, this 2 and 9 is a many number. 2 and 9 or 20 is the many number. Now, 9 played, 6 played. We remain with 2 as a many number because 29 played. So we're having 2 or 20, right? If you divide, you're going to have a 1. 1 or 10. 10 is sitting there, we can try 1. So we're going to play 1 to 20. And then those are the numbers we're going to carry to the next. Then our last draw yesterday was having 93. 93 is 3 and 9, 39 or 36. Remember to spin. We have a 30 here, we have a 6, right? That is the 93. Yeah. So then you add a 10 to each number. 10 to each number is 19 and 13. We're going to have a 13 and 19. 19 should come since it came only 4 draws ago. We have a 13, 19, 220 and 110. Then we have also 69, 36, 39 and 330. Now, the numbers are done. Then, let's go to our last code, right? Our last code is take this number, you add them together. Example, let me add them together. We have 16, 22. This 22 here is your code. 22 is 2, 4. 22 is just 22 as it is, right? So that is where 22 came. You just chase your 22, right? 22 is a code that you can use to find a number. 22 is 12, 32, 21 on the 12 as well, and the 23 as well. That's where 32 came from. 22 you can divide, it's 11 is sitting there. So 22 is a many number which you keep with you. I'm going to repeat, I don't know if we understand each other. We have this code, it's 15,691, which is 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 1. This is a 10, this is a 16, this is 21, this is 22, right? Then just say 22. 22 is a code where you do plus or minus 1, which is going to give us 21 and 23. Then 22 divide and multiply, we have a 44 and 11 when you divide. 22 is just a 2 or 20. 22 again is a 4 because the 2 plus 4 is a 4 and a 40. So those are the numbers. So that is 11 for us sitting there. 23 sitting there as 32. Even if you say minus 10 is a 12 and a 32. 32 is sitting there. Alright, and then we keep 22 as a main, and you can see 26 sitting there, even the spin of 4. Now, let's see what happened here. 11 and 17, 18, 23. Then 23 plus or minus 1 is 22, and 24. Then 2 plus 2 is 5. Then plus 10 is 33. 33 already dropped. Then minus 10 is 13. So we're gonna wait for 13, guys. We're gonna wait for 13. This 13, let's wait for it to be patient, right? So that's where 22 came from. 33 was already dropped. Now we're going to have a 24, right? 24 is 2 plus 4 is 6. When you multiply is 8. When you say is 2 and 4. When you divide is also 12. Multiply is 48, which is not valid. right? So we have 6, 8, 2, 4, 12, 34. They like to add this 10, yeah? They like to add this 10. So we have a 34. Then mostly 35 and 34 somewhere as well. That is how to calculate Gosloto 645. Gosloto 645. Go and learn how to calculate to use these numbers. You can still use the number calling chart. Join our WhatsApp group to have the most of the number calling chat, guys. Let's make money. So it's still early morning. It's 5 o'clock. Okay? I'm feeling like very sleepy. So I think it's done. I will see you again. Bye bye.